Hi, this video is going to show you how to delete or block someone on Facebook Messenger. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel. These questions could come to your mind. I want to delete someone on Facebook Messenger. How can I do that? In the following tutorial, we will show you how to delete or block someone on your Facebook. First step, in your Facebook Messenger chat, tap at the contact that you want to delete or block. Then the second step, at the chat screen, tap at the contact profile icon above here. Step 3, at the contact profile, tap at the block below here. Step 4, you can choose to either block this contact on Facebook or block messages and calls from this contact from here. Step 5, next tap the block to confirm blocking the contact. Facebook will not notify the person you have blocked him or her, but they would not be able to message you or call using Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel.